And as journalists, we have the responsibility to provide the public with accurate and timely information, but we must also make sure that we are prepared and know how to keep ourselves safe while doing our jobs. Our commitment to journalism should always go hand in hand with preparedness, awareness, and safety. I would also like to express our sincere gratitude to the 4th Infantry Division for being our partner in this very important initiative. Maraming salamat po. Parang pangatlong beses na yata ito ang media safety training. And your support to us is greatly appreciated, especially as we prepare our media colleagues for the challenges that may encounter during the election period.